Back to my channel. So today we are going to see option selling. Let's get started with the NSE website. So I will begin with the basics. So we are writers. So for writers, there is two options: put option, call option. When we do writing of put option or selling of put option, then the price action acts as support. That means from the support, price will always go up. Okay. Now call writing or call sellers, if they are adding their positions, that means price action acts as resistance. From the strike, price will go down, or strike or resistance. So usually here also support or strike. So this is the basic. Exactly opposite is for buyers. Okay, now let's do small price action comparison. So it's a Monday and last week of the month, so we can see a lot of volatility and profit booking in the market. Okay, so we already know call writing has been heavily done in the market. So we'll take with Nifty. So you could clearly see this is the previous close, gap down, and markets are going down for, sorry, I just have to take 15 minutes. Okay, so you see gap down and markets are going down. So I'll take the line for support. So this is the support, last previous close. Okay, so how previous close has acting as resistance here, you could clearly see. Okay, so let's take Nifty open price. Open for Nifty is 750. So you could take 750 as our open ATM, the put side, the call side. So here becomes the ITM, the shaded line. OTM is the non-shaded zone, and then you could see how the max decay happens, positive decay happens in the ITM of the call side because markets are falling down. Okay, and the max negative decay happens in the ITM of the put side because people are doing PE buy heavily and CE write heavily. That's why markets are going down. Well, OTM has a moderate performance, so it is positive here, and slightly negative from this zone. Okay, now let's calculate the PNL. We'll calculate PNL for Bank Nifty. That would be easy for us. So I'll take Bank Nifty here. Bank Nifty open, you could see it's 200, 56, 200. So this becomes the open, and then you could see it's a positive decay and it's a negative, clear negative decay on the put side. Okay, so let's do the PNL calculation. I'm going to take the strike, this one, okay, for 56,900 call writing, which becomes the OTM here. Okay, one lot for Bank Nifty is 30 times the decay, the positive decay here. So that's positive here. Positive decay is 113. So let's take as a round figure as 100. Okay, now you do the calculation. It's 3000, positive 3000 plus tax and brokerage. So this is the profit. Okay, so this is how you calculate the profit just looking at the NSE website. So you don't even require a actual account to do the everyday back testing. Okay, so you could see open was here and close was here. This was the previous close. And Nifty and Bank Nifty also, you see open was here, close was here, almost similar pattern. Okay, so first half the markets at 111 were heavily bleeding here. Okay, so you could see the reflection in the ITM of the call writing side, how they are getting the profit. Okay, So that's it guys, we'll move on. Now we'll move to the premium. So we'll take the step counts in the premium and we'll try to analyze. First I'm taking is Bank Nifty. Open is 56,200. Let's take 56,200 in both sides. So you could clearly see here buyers were actually winning up till 1250, and then the positions has been shifted, and then you could see the sellers were winning at the end, and Bank Nifty gave a positive close for the sellers, okay, for 200 strike. Now we'll take step count 400. When you take step count 400, so earlier, so sellers were winning. After like 1 p.m. you could see the buyers tried to take up, but at the end sellers were winning for 400 count as well. Now we'll take 56,000, which is a very good support, and then you could see here buyers were winning, and slowly after the market becomes sideways, so you could see here it went sideways. That time the price action was also sideways, and then here sellers were winning almost, you see, minus 200 TK, and the buyers couldn't even break the resistance here, while this support was keep on breaking on the downside. Okay, now I'll check for Nifty. So Nifty open was 750, so we'll take 750, 24, 750 on both the sides. So you could clearly see markets were sideways up till 12, and then after that it slowly began to be favorable for the buyers, but at the end sellers were winning because the decay was very fast. As we are approaching monthly expiry, we'll take 2 step counts, so we'll take 850 on the both sides, and here also same pattern is observed. So the buyers peaked here where the buyers were winning, but after that at the end the buyers actually came down, and the margin between buyers and sellers are very less. Okay, now we'll take for less one, so we'll take 600 and we'll check. Okay, so this is 600, and then you could see at 10:30 buyers were winning, and after that there was a drastic drop because markets went sideways. You could see up till 12:35 it was sellers day, and after that too the buyers were unable to move and the decay was very fast. Okay, so that's it guys. Now we'll try to check the close range OI. So for that I am taking Nifty Trader website. Let's check for Nifty first. So we'll take Nifty. So this is Nifty. As you could see, put buying and some profit booking was happening here, and then here clearly resistance was very strong. Okay, so when you check OTM, it's 11 and 4, so clearly resistance is very strong. This is the range, our max pain. So currently below max pain markets are trading, the lot size, and this is the today's move. Okay, now we'll check for next expiry as well. Call writing and put buying, so it's 1,56,000, so it's not much of a difference. Still resistance is very strong in the market. So when you check Bank Nifty here and check the OTM, it is 101 and 231, so clearly resistance is strong in the market. It was clearly call writing and put buying plus some profit booking scenario. As you could see, they have heavily added here and very less addition in the put side. Okay, so that's it guys. Thank you. Keep supporting my channel.